students, Namaskar. Today we are going to start different properties of water. Different properties that we are going to discuss are solubility and insolubility, miscibility and immiscibility of liquids, floating and sinking. Now let us start first property, that is solubility and insolubility. For that, take one beaker having some water in it. Now add sugar in it. After stirring, you will notice sugar will completely dissolve in water. So we can say sugar is soluble in water. Now to show insolubility, take another beaker having some water in it. Now add soil in it. After stirring, you will notice soil particles sink down. So we can say soil is insoluble in water. Now, second property of water, that is miscibility and immiscibility of liquids. Some liquids completely mix with water, whereas other liquids do not mix with water. Let us start this activity. Take one beaker having water in it. Now take potassium permanganate solution, that is deep purple in color. Now add this solution in water. You will notice this potassium permanganate solution is soluble in water. So we can say this liquid is miscible in water. Now to show immiscibility, take one beaker having some water in it. Now add oil in it. You will notice that oil forms a layer on the surface of water. So oil doesn't mix with water, so we can say oil is immiscible in water. Now third property of water, that is floating and sinking. For this, take one beaker having water in it. Now to show floating, I have taken one sharpener. This floats on the surface of water. Now to show sinking, take another beaker having water in it. Now add coin. You will notice this coin will sink down. Thanks.